Byron estimates the median amount of petrol to be 43.5 liters. Explain why Byron's estimate is incorrect. So we are saying that it is incorrect. Explain why it is incorrect. So we are looking at the median amount of petrol. What do we mean by the median? The median is the middle item in the list. Its number is half of the total frequency. It is not entirely correct to say that the median is the middle item in the list. The median is the middle item in an ordered list. That means the list must be in ascending order or descending order. So the items have to be placed in order. If the items are in order, as a matter of fact, when we talk about the median and the middle number, we are talking about an ordered list. So the list has to be in order. So the median is associated with half of the total frequency, because the total frequency will tell us the total number of items in the data set. The median will be the middle one, therefore its ordinal number will be half of the total cumulative frequency, or half of the total frequency. So we have the total frequency there to be 150. Therefore the ordinal number of the median should really be 75, which is half of 150. It should really be 75. But we have to consider that when we have an even number of items in the data set, that we will also have two middle entries. When the data set contains an even number of entry, we will have two middle entries. So when we have 75 for our answer, the 75 will be associated with the first half, as we will see in a subsequent video. We'll not take a look at it right now. We will see that in a subsequent audio visual. So 150 divided by 2, the result is 75. But because it is an even number of items, we know that we will have two middle entries. There is an even number of items, which is 150. The middle item is the mean of the two middle entries. So whenever we have an even number of items, there will be two middle entries. The median will be found by taking the mean, or what we typically call the average, of those two values. And we have it here that the median will be the mean of the 75th and 76th item. So we need to identify the 75th or the 76th, and if not to identify them, to locate them. So what we have there is that the last item in the second class is the 59th item. We could start from the beginning to say that the last item of the first class is the 24th. We can look over on this side, is the 74th. So we have another 35 here. So since we have another 35 items here, the last item in this class will be the 59th, because we're going to add these two. 59th item. So it is going to be the last item in this class will be the 59th item. Then when we add 42 to 59, when we add 42 to 59, we will get 101. What does that tell us? Because the 59th item is the last item of this class. That means the 60th item will be the first item of this class. Then the last item of this class will be the 101st item. So if the last item of this class is the 59th, the first of this one will be the 60th, and the last of this one will be the 101st. It means that the 75th and 76th item will be located in this class. So the first item in the third class is the 60th item, as we said before. The last item in the third class is the 101st. So the first item in this class is the 60th. The last one in this one is the 101st. That means the 75th and the 76th item will be located in this class. The 75th and 76th items must be located in the third class. And the third class begins with the 60th item and ends with the 101st item. Therefore, the 75th and 76th item will be in this class. I hope that we can highlight it immediately. That class. Well, we did not highlight the entire class, but they are located in that class. So the boundaries of the class, well, that is why we are just highlighting these two. The boundaries of that class are 30.5 and 40.5. So it goes from 30.5 to 40.5, and the estimated mean is 43.5 liters. It means that the estimated median cannot be located in this class, which goes from 30.5 to 40.5, because its value is 43.5. It is out of the class. Therefore, we know that Byron's estimate is incorrect, because for it to be correct, it has to be within 30.5 and 40.5. Why does it have to be there? Because the 75th and 76th item, which are the two middle items, are located in this class. Therefore, Byron's estimate is incorrect. For access to hundreds of free videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Richard James Mathematics Resources. For unlimited access to thousands of exclusive full-length videos, please subscribe to our Vimeo channel, Richard James Mathematics Resources.